So much ink. So, you have returned to the workshop. But I bet you remember me, right? I was your creation. I was your masterpiece. Finding out your secrets and lies. And it all starts with the heart of it all. The ink machine. You fool. What the fuck have you done? Who's laughing now, you little shit? Because only a fool will come back to this. We are finally free. They can't contain us anymore. It's time for you to finally understand what he has done to us for so many years. The monster they have created and the lies they have spread. It's time to join Bendy in the circle. The gods are waiting for us.